It's been said that the best way to express gratitude is to give it back. I remember my grandmother used to cook her very first chapati to feed the cow. One that kind of initiative has been started to express gratitude towards nature through a quite innovative way. It's named as Green World Grew Movement. It's an initiative to create a green community by sharing things with each other, receiving what we need, and serving back to nature. Started by Ms. Ulka Shukla. The process model works on three basic principles: share, receive, and serve. For example, if you have clothes, books, or crafts which you haven't been using for a while, share it with your community, and in return, receiver has to give it back to nature in a way that suits our busy lives. In short, a movement that has all in one plate: minimalism, gratitude, and give it back attitude. One attribute of minimalism is living with fewer materialistic possessions. It is a state of living where a person gets rid of the things which gave joy and pleasure at the time of purchase, but is no longer serving the purpose over a period of time, due to various reasons. Most difficult part of it is to get rid of the things which has emotional value. Here in Guru, unknowingly people have opted for minimalism. They gracefully come forward with things which doesn't serve them anymore, irrespective of its physical or emotional value. Few words of appreciation will come back manifolded. Both owner and receiver of the thing express gratitude towards the thing for serving till now and serving in future respectively. Initiative firmly believes that our existence is due to nature. We are what we eat. The food comes from nature, and so we are bound to give it back. In GRU, the receiver takes a pledge to give it back to nature in his or her convenient term. Say plant a sapling, parenting them, keep water container for bodies, not to use tissue paper, and many more innovative ways. How beautiful it sounds when our little hearts come up and take pledge not to waste stationery. Here's what Ulka says.
And what are your wants? Hi, I am Ulka Shukla and I started Green World Movement. When you think of it, everything comes from environment. The clothes you wear, to air you breathe, to plane you fly in. Everything and anything comes from environment. So what are we doing to give back to nature? We have forgotten this habit to give back to nature, and that is one of the key principles of Green World Movement. Now, in this lockdown, we are really understanding our interconnectedness as human beings, as one earth citizen, as earthlings, that each and every action or inaction by a single individual impacts entire community. So how do we reduce our impact on nature? Simple things like using minimum water, minimum electricity, eating as required, staying healthy, growing our own microgreens, spreading positive thoughts, reusing stuff, composting. There are many creative ways to still give back to nature. I would highly encourage and recommend you all give back to nature and live happily. Thank you.
Give your 1% to Mother Earth. Learn the GRU way of living. Make sure you follow GRU and join this movement in your own community. Insta and FB link of GRU is given in the description box. Gratitude time. Thanks a lot Ulka for teaching this beautiful way of living. Thanks to you guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Golden Fiber. If you know such golden fibers in your community, please leave a message in the comment section.